Yo, welcome back to Beamy Cloud. Today, I'm going to be doing hinges on my bathroom door today because these bathroom hinges are just rusted. Too, like, look at this. Yep, they're kind of about to fall off and they're just rust. I'm going to turn on the hall light real quick. I'll show y'all. Because there's just rust on these hinges, so I'm replacing all these hinges today. So, got new hinges. I got them from Lowe's. I also put a link down in the description so you can get them. So, let's unbox them. This was one hand. So I'm gonna be right back when I get this. Actually, not when this actually can. I'm gonna be right back when I get it all unboxed, and then I'm gonna be back when it's all scattered out in the counter. All right. Got it out finally. Y'all can see. Let me do my own problem. I got the hinge all opened up. You can see. So we're gonna go ahead and start. First hinge. I'm gonna do the first hinge. So pretty much all I'm gonna do to replace your hinges is take the screw out. I'm gonna take all your screws out. It's kind of hard to see because these are like dark hinges. These are like oil bronze, I think. Not. I just want to take this out. See how short the old screws in the wood in there because it's been in there for like. So I'm putting the new hinges. So I'm taking the old ones out first. I'm also going to be doing my laundry room doors too. That's probably, I can probably do that for a separate video. Here's the old screws out. Mount. Got the old one out. Here's the old. And then y'all want to get this off, the old screw off. Hard holding the camera on while doing this, but get all these screws out. I'm going to be turning the camera off when I do the next hinges up here, but gotta get these bottom ones out. There, I got the old hinge out. While we're taking out hinges, y'all. I'm gonna pick this old hinge up. I'm gonna go sit on it. Be careful, except these on the countertop. Very, very bad for my nose, y'all. Pop the door, I'm gonna try to put the shoe in the way. My shoe. Start doing a new hinge. So also y'all could do sometimes is make the wood a little more fresh to do. To make this more grip, is y'all can put toothpicks in these holes like this. That y'all can see that and that. See like that. I'm gonna be right back, and then I'm gonna be back when I get all the toothpicks on. I'm gonna be right back. Toothpicks done. So, hope y'all can see. also, y'all, this is important, so hold on. Checking to see this report. This is recording. Also, you're gonna put this screw in temporary. I'm gonna put a longer screw in, so that's what this is important. When I do this. So as I do this, I'm permanent. You don't eat your toothpaste on. I'm gonna have to dust back in this. And done. Probably it. So first you need to start looking. Now y'all are able to see it. Now I just gotta repeat the same screws, and I'm gonna be back with y'all when I get these screws all put up in the door. So be back when all these screws are done. I get all these three screws done. I'll be back with y'all. Back, got the screws all done. Now, now y'all gonna do your long screw because it's important to get these. So this is not really, that's why I didn't do the screw all the way. Take the screw back out. Take the screw all back out. Be back, and then I'm gonna start putting your long screw. Y'all can start putting your new long screw in. See the progress. I want y'all to hopefully see. Now when I'll be back with y'all when this long screw is all finished. Crap. Sorry about this talking, y'all. In that room. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry about that. Right. There's fly in this bathroom. Big as that bee. Could have crushed it. Look, got new hinge done. is all done. Check it out on the inside, POV on the door. That's good. I'm gonna be doing this hinge, and we'll be right back. And then when I recently back out, the new hinge will be in, the hinge will be out. We'll be right back. We'll be back when the new hinge is all done. This one's all out, alright? Alright, y'all, I'm back. I got the middle hinge done, I got the bottom hinge done, I have the top hinge. So test the door out and see how it does. I want to smooth around this door too. That was so nice on this side. That is really nice. But I'm gonna be back when I get the top one done. So I'm gonna be back. And then I'm gonna be back when this top hinge is done. All replaced and gone. So we'll be back. Done. I got all the hinges done now. How done? Let's test the door out. Door shuts pretty nice. Opens pretty nice. Let's test out the inside. Let's see the inside. Well, it looks pretty nice on the inside. The inside of the door looks pretty nice. But, yep, new look of the door. Well, there's a few else that want to do the door stopper. I also got a new door stopper loads too. That's gonna be another video. And we just replacing the door stopper. But these hinges look so nice. I like them. Got some brand new hinges on this door for the finials now. Go put them down in the description of Lowe's, but I'm gonna take a break, and these are the old hinges. These are the old hinges, how bad they look. See how like rusted they are. So I'm gonna be right back. And I'm gonna be back when I do the upper hinge on my, and I'm gonna say, yep, end the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, be proud, and also come back. Gonna be doing my upper hinge video on my mother room right now. So yeah. Trying to be doing the wandering door. Food out of place. Yeah, I did get the door stopper done. Y'all can see I did get the outlet covers done. Got my one right there, and I'll show y'all. Got one done in the kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing this modern door hinges, so let's unpack them. So if you see me right, go ahead and open these up. So yeah, I'm unboxing the hinges real quick, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna take the box from the counter for now. Thanks for the box outside, but I think it's gonna be okay. So let's go ahead. First thing we're gonna do is remove the old hinges from the door. We're gonna take off the old hinges. Out the old hinges right now. Been wanting to replace this hinges for a while. These hinges are about to. These things have been in there for 11 years. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I'm not gonna have to pick some in my room, but I'm gonna run to my room. Go on here, screen tuckers. Got the toothpicks. Oh, took the toothpicks out. Forgot about that. Wait, let's go ahead first. Get your last one out. Let's the old ones out. All the old stuff. Sometimes I'm replacing hinges on my doors. I just really like replacing, doing like, now I gotta take out, cause this screw right here I gotta take out. I put in a long screw right here on this door before too. This door was like crooked before, and I had fixed this door a few years ago. These old hinges, and I did fix it with a long screw right here, so I've done that like a few years ago. Time for this to come out now. So I did these long screws with this one. These are old. I'm also still gonna be reusing these long screws on the new hinges as well. And I'm gonna be using new screws. I'm just gonna reuse the long screw. There you go. So yeah, I had these a few years ago. It, but look, this door was crooked before. Not too like that. So this hinges was like not too like that before. So it was like, so those hinges was like not too like that before. And then it had to like white, even part of the white paint right here, and then it had to like cut the white paint right here, so I can get the hinges flush like that. So I can get the hinges flush like that. See how flush? So one time, like one upon a time, it was sitting like that, and it has some like white stuff right here. So I had to do it, get a knife and cut all that white stuff out, and then get the hinge even like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the toothpicks on it. Toothpicks on it. Toothpicks are important to do. There is good to go, so I don't have to do anything to that. I do have to do. No one will get flushed. I'm still gonna probably not gonna work. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the new hinges. Alright. And then we're gonna put this screw, since I'm gonna be putting the long screw right there, I'm just gonna put this screw in. I'm not gonna, I don't really care how well this screw right here goes in. I'm just gonna do it like tight like that. So you can do all the other screws permanently in. Get the top hinge done. The top screw on it. This is gonna be like a new. Now you do the bottom hinge. One screw. And make sure all of the cereal and we can replace, we can take this, take it out, the old monster kicked out, you can put the old monster back in the spot and put the monster back on. Gotta tighten this and then you door it. So monster back in the door. hinge to do, we're gonna be done. We've got to do this hinge now. Yep, got the middle hinge done, y'all can see. Also got the bottom hinge done. Yep, time for a top hinge. Time for a top hinge means another time lapse. Time for another time lapse. In 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, got the hinges done. Look, we got top one done, middle one done, bottom one done. Move the vacuum, the door does. Still on the room, looks like on the inside. The new door stopper done the last video, the new door stopper. And then now I got new hinges. New hinges. New door stopper. Here they look like on the POV on the outside. So, yep. Here's all the old hinges, y'all. I'm showing all the old hinges. Let me show you all the old hinges. These are the old hinges, y'all. Yep. And also, I gotta get these outlet covers done. These are real nice. And I got this outlet cover done. And I got this outlet cover done. It looks really nice, really new. And also, here's my film I did. Did one game blank. One game blank and that outlet cover on. That video I did that one game blank, the outlet cover, and then turn off the real pixel 7A. I'll put that link down in the description below. As well as that process video of being caused to source of this light switch. My dog, and then the video of me doing that. They got some new hinges on the door now. Put this. They're really nice new hinges. They're really beautiful. The door don't even shut on its own anymore. Really nice. So really happy. Door don't really shut on its own anymore. It's gonna stay open now. It's just real nice. A tiny bit, but better than how it was with the old hinges. But these new hinges are really nice. They're brand new hinges that got thrown on the door. So yep, I'm gonna be putting the link down in the description of the process video on being close to short of the switch, the video of me doing the door stoppers, and here in my bathroom, the video of me doing the door stop, putting the and the video of me putting the old door stoppers on the door temporary. I'll be putting the link down in the description of the video of me putting the old door stoppers on temporary. The video of me doing that door stoppers, the video of me doing the hinges in my bathroom. And this is that process video. I think I already said that over and over again. This is doing that whole cover, that whole cover, that whole cover, and then link down in the description. I'll be doing that one game blank, that whole cover in the Google Pixel 7a video. But all those links down in the description. Please hit this video, big thumbs up, subscribing me. And I'll see y'all later, now. Bye bye, now. Bye, boom. Hope y'all enjoyed. Actually, let's put Tucker in this video since this dog wants to be on YouTube. Tucker, do you want to be on YouTube, my boy? Well, too late now. Okay, you are on YouTube, bud boy. You have to get used to the camera, my boy. Don't ever go. Oh, I gotta turn my camera. This dog, the Tucker. Tomorrow, he's gonna be 17 weeks old. He just comment below if he's so adorable. My dog Tucker, his French bulldog breed. He's so adorable. He's just precious, my new boy. Yes, sir. Tucker. Yeah. Tucker, don't say that in the video. He said, do you want to watch me bite him? It includes that knee. He wants to bite me. He wants. Look how frisky this boy is. This boy is getting jacked up. Oh, crap. Sorry about that. This dog is just hyper. Please give me a big subscribe me down. Any last words you want to say, Tucker? Stop. Tucker, you being a bad puppy. He's just bad. This is how he works, y'all. Say bye to the YouTube. Alright, bet. You're stopping. Alright, we'll film that. Yeah, these hinges are like 12 years old now, y'all. These hinges, well, let me say 11 years old to these. This house was built by DSLB, so yep, please give this video a big thumbs, subscribe to yourself, and see y'all later, man. Bye, mouth.